Hello and welcome back to Newton's Bench, and what we're going to be talking about today is lab number 7, which is rotational motion. Now, instead of having a lab that uses equipment, we're going to be using a video, and this video is up on Blackboard for you. And if you take a look at this video, what we're trying to do is track spots, and they could be anywhere on this video as we run this video. And let's say that particular spot, we want to get its speed in kilometers per second. Now each spot is going to have a different speed. Let me draw it on the board here, because certain areas have differential rotation. It's not the same speed as if it was a solid, it's a gaseous surface. So what you need to do is first figure out a scale. So you want to open this video on your screen, like I have it here, and just take a ruler and measure this distance. Maybe it's 10 centimeters. It depends on your screen, right? So if it's 10 centimeters equals how many kilometers? You're building a scale. Now, how many kilometers? Well, for the sun, you can look up the radius of the sun. And of course, we're going to multiply it by 2 because this is a full diameter. And you're going to get a scale where you'll get 1 centimeter equals a certain amount of kilometers. Now notice at the bottom of the screen here, you have a number. Now this one, it's kind of hard to read, but it's something like 2016/01/24, and this is at 11:19. This is hours and minutes. So this particular picture was taken from the SOHO satellite at that particular time. So you want to measure how far it goes. This particular spot moved the distance, and with this timestamp, how long it took to move that. So say it moved 6 centimeters. So if it moves 6 centimeters, then you know the distance roughly in kilometers, because you know 1 centimeter equals a certain amount of kilometers based on your scale. So once you know the kilometers, then you check at how much time has passed using the timestamp at the bottom here, and you get kilometers per second. So that's how you measure kilometers per second for a given spot. Now if you notice on the screen, you have 4 spots that you want to measure for, as pointed out on the pictures. So for those 4 spots, I want to see pretty detailed methodology, as well as show all your calculations. For those 4 spots, I want to see how fast those spots will be moving. Again, they're not going to be moving the same speed as the sun rotates, and each one will have a different kilometers per second. Okay, so that's lab number 7.